Let's be real, Insta360 has owned the 360-degree camera game for years. But now, DJI is crashing the party with the Osmo 360, and it's a monster. Native 8K 360-degree video, dual 1-inch equivalent sensors, and that signature DJI polish. Compact, lightweight, yet rugged enough for extreme shoots. This could be the first true Insta360 rival. Let's break down what makes this little cube a serious threat. And maybe your next favorite camera. First off, the specs are ridiculous. The Square HDR image sensor increases sensor utilization by 25% over traditional 1-inch sensors. What does that mean for you? More data, better light intake, and ultimately, absolutely stunning footage. The Osmo 360 captures 8K at 50 frames per second 360-degree video with 13.5 stops of dynamic range, meaning even your sunrise time lapses or neon-lit Tokyo nights are going to look like something off a red cinema camera. And the 2.4 micrometer pixels? That's smartphone night mode level performance, but in a 360-degree world. Add in super night mode, and this thing literally turns darkness into art. You know how annoying it is editing out selfie sticks in post? Yeah, DJI heard you. With the invisible selfie stick mode, it's like having your own personal drone cameraman following your every move. No editing, no hassle, just effortless third-person shots. Plus, with selfie mode, you can capture ultra-wide stabilized footage at up to 2K at 240 frames per second. Perfect for slow-motion action or those cinematic wind-in-your-hair moments. Want traditional wide-angle shots? Switch to single-lens mode and shoot 5K at 60 frames per second with a crazy 155-degree field of view, or crank it up to 170 degrees with boost mode. Flexibility is the name of the game here. Let's talk about stabilization because DJI went overboard in a good way. Horizon Steady keeps everything perfectly level, even if you're mountain biking through a rock garden or chasing a dog on a beach. And when you're in single lens mode, Rock Steady 3.0 brings you buttery smooth motion while keeping that immersive first-person impact. You can even switch lenses mid-recording. Yes, mid-recording, so you never miss a shot. Add gesture and voice controls that work even in gloves, and suddenly, capturing amazing footage feels effortless. It's a smart camera that actually feels smart. Snowboarding in minus 20 degrees Celsius? Scuba diving 10 meters deep? Vlogging through a rainstorm in Iceland? The Osmo 360 doesn't flinch. With IP68 waterproofing, magnetic quick-release design, and up to 4.5 hours of 8K recording with the battery extension rod, this camera is built for adventurers. And let's not forget audio. Connect up to 2 DJI mic transmitters directly without needing a receiver, and enjoy studio-quality sound that syncs perfectly. And yes, it records ambient backup audio too, so your scenes feel rich and real, not sterile. Whether you're a solo traveler, content creator, or filmmaker, this camera has your back. So you've shot your footage, now what? DJI's Mimo app and DJI Studio make editing smooth, with AI tracking, object recognition, and export presets that make social-ready videos almost automatic. The D-Log M mode gives you tons of color grading freedom, and 10-bit color depth across formats means your sky gradients won't look like mashed pixels. The final verdict? The Osmo 360 isn't just DJI's answer to Insta360. It's a full-blown competitor and in many ways a next-gen upgrade. At around $549, it's not cheap, but if you want the best-in-class for vlogging, travel, or cinematic 360 content, it's worth every bit. So, what do you think? Is the DJI Osmo 360 finally the camera that gives Insta360 a run for its money? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic gear drop or camera showdown.